Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Good morning. Hope you are fine. Today, our topic is again shapes, and the subtopic is line of symmetry. It's a different one, and the learner's book, page number 21. And we will also do some written work, so take out your notebooks as well. So, line of symmetry. Do you know what is line of symmetry? Let's learn it. First, we will go through our learning objective. Identify reflective symmetry in patterns and 2D shapes. Draw a line of symmetry. Find example of symmetry in the environment. So these are the objectives we are going to learn today. Anticipation. Name the shapes used in the given figure. Look at this figure. There are many shapes here. We will go through the shapes first. Okay, which shape is the first one? 3 corners, 3 sides, closed figure. Yes, it's triangle. Look at the second one. It has 4 corners, but all sides are not same. So we can say it's an irregular shape. Now the next one, a yellow one. Count its corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This yellow shape has 6 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 sides. A closed shape with 6 sides and 6 corners. It is called, yes, it's hexagon. Now look at the downward shape. Again, it's an irregular shape with 4 sides and 4 corners, but all sides are not same. The next one, again, you can see in red, green and red. Look at the right, extreme right, red one. 3 sides and 3 corners. It's triangle. And the green one is also, yes, triangle. Now look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 4 sides, 4 corners, but it's an irregular shape because all sides are not equal. Now down one, it's a robot, you can see, and you can see its legs. They are made of squares. All 4 sides are equal, 4 corners. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. So the legs are made by squares. Now look at the down one. The last part here. This one is, let me mark it, this one. This one. These both are, yes, they are again triangles with 3 sides and 3 corners. Now look at its ends. They are made by, again, a shape. Can you tell me this shape? 4 sides, 4 corners, all same. It's look like, its outlines look like a diamond. So we can call it, it's a diamond shape. So it's a robot made by shapes, or a figure made by shapes. Now, introduction of line of symmetry. So what is line of symmetry? A straight line that splits a pattern, object, shape into 2 halves that are mirror images of each other. So when you see a shape, pattern or object, and if you want to draw a straight line which can cut the shape into 2 equal halves, we can say this line is the line of symmetry. Or these images, and if we put them around that line and we can see the images are same, we can say these halves are mirror images of each other. Something has reflective symmetry if it has a mirror image on each side of the line of symmetry. So something with reflective symmetry is symmetrical. So when you put a mirror on a line of symmetry between 2 halves, you can see both images are same. This means the mirror image on each side of the line of symmetry is same. So we can say it's a reflective symmetry. We can see the reflection of the symmetrical part, and we call it symmetrical. So this is the introduction of line of symmetry. A line of symmetry is a line that cuts the shape exactly in half. This means if you fold the shape along the line, both halves would match exactly. And if you placed a mirror along the line, the shape would remain unchanged. Now look at this one. This is a butterfly, and you can see a dotted line in the center. Mostly we draw a dotted line in the line of symmetry. So if you fold these two parts, we will find that they are exactly match. Or if you put a mirror between it, the image of this part will be the same as this one. And if we put the mirror here, we will look at the reflection of this part or this half. We will find this part on the image, because both are same. Symmetry is having one side that exactly mirrors the other. So a line of symmetry divides a symmetrical shape in half, the two identical halves. Again, one more shape. It's a ladybird. You can see the both sides are same if you draw a line of symmetry, or if you fold these two sides. Both sides will be exactly match. So we can say the line of symmetry in ladybird is vertical. You can see one circle here, one here, two here, two here. This part is same as this one. This one is same as this one. This part is same as this one. And both antennas are also same. Look at these things. All sides. You can see the both sides will be exactly same. So this is the line of symmetry in ladybird. Now look at some letters, alphabets, and we will find the line of symmetry. Look at the first letter, it's S. So I have drawn a vertical line of symmetry here. So you can see if I draw this line, if you fold these two sides and match them, we will find the both sides will be same. So can we draw the line of symmetry horizontally here? Let me draw. Is both sides same? No, the both sides are not same. So if the letter S has only one vertical line of symmetry. Now we are moving towards our next alphabet. It's C. So can we draw a line of symmetry vertically here? Let me draw and you will check. Is that this the line of symmetry? Remember, line of symmetry cut the shape into exactly two halves. So is it the is this line of symmetry cutting the C into exactly halves? No, it's not. Only if we draw the horizontal line of symmetry, the both sides will be same. The both sides are mirror image of each other. Now look at the next letter. It's letter X. Again, I have drawn here a horizontal line of symmetry. Is it right? You can see both sides are same. If you put the mirror here, you can find the reflection of this part, but the reflection will be same as this one. And if you put the mirror here and you look at the reflection of this part, you can find the exactly same as the other part. So we can say that this horizontal line of symmetry X has. But can X has a vertical one? Let me try. I'm cutting the half into center. Let me write it neatly. So can you see, if I draw a line in the center, if I fold these two parts, I can also get the exactly same sides. So we can say if we cut it horizontally or vertically or horizontally, the both sides are same. So X has two lines of symmetry. Many shapes, objects and patterns have more than one line of symmetries. So in letter X, we can say there are two lines of symmetries, vertically and horizontally. Now look at the next letter. It's letter T. So if I fold these two parts in here, this is the folding line or the line of symmetry. So both sides will be same. Yes, both sides will be exactly matched. So the both sides are exactly same. The two halves are same. So this is the line of symmetry vertically. We can draw T, a vertical line of horizontal symmetry. So can we write the horizontal one line here? Is it cutting the T into two equal parts? No. So this means letter T has only one line of symmetry, that is vertical. Now look at the next shape, it's V. And look at the line of symmetry, it's in the center, because if you fold these two parts, the both parts are exactly match, or two halves are exactly same. They are mirror image of each other. Now look at letter M. You can see if you fold these two parts, the both parts are same. If we cut it into two halves, we get a line of symmetry. If we draw a line of symmetry here, is it possible? No, because if we fold up and down, the parts will be not match. They are not exactly half. They are not mirror image of each other. So letter M has only one vertical line of symmetry. Now look at the next one. It's letter U. So if we fold like this at the side, we get the line of symmetry, the vertical line of symmetry. But if we draw a line of symmetry horizontally, is it right? No, it's not right, because the both sides are not mirror image of each other. So letter U has only one line of symmetry, that is vertical one. Now look at the last alphabet here, it's Z. So if we fold a Z up and down, we get the same sides, or we get the exactly two halves, the mirror image of each other. These two parts are. So we can say the letter Z has horizontal line of symmetry. Now this is your day and date slide. On the extreme left top, you will write your today's day, Thursday, in the center classwork, and on the extreme right top, 24th December, 2020. And you write day and date on this learner's page number 21. The topic is symmetry. Please write your day and date very neatly. Look at the first pattern in this page. You can see this pattern is made up of some shapes, and we will draw a line of symmetry in it. And after that, we will draw some 2D shapes which are present here on our notebooks, and we will also draw a line of symmetry in them. The line of symmetry will be vertical, horizontal, or diagonal. So we will find the line of symmetry in 2D shapes and draw them in our notebooks. So take out your notebooks as well. First look at the pattern. In this pattern, the first two shapes, this green one, has 3 sides and 3 corners. So which shape is this? Yes, it's triangle. These green shapes are triangle. Now look at the blue one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. 4 sides and 4 corners. A closed shape with straight lines. The two opposite sides or parallel sides are of same length. This shape is, yes, it's rectangle. So these both shapes are rectangle. Look at the red one. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 corners, 4 sides. It's an irregular shape because all sides are not of the same length. So now look at the center one shape. Count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 corners. And sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides and 6 corners. Which shape is this? Yes, it's hexagon. So we will find the line of symmetry. So if we fold the shape from up to down, can we get the line of symmetry? Let me draw. If I will draw in the center a line, is this line a line of symmetry? The both sides are same, the both halves are same. No, it's not. So it means when we fold this shape up and down, up to down, we will not get the line of symmetry. But if we'll fold the shape from right to left or left to right, can we get the line of symmetry? Again, I'm drawing a line in the center. It's tricky. Please use a scale and draw a dotted line of symmetry. Now, look at the both sides. Is this shape are now cut into two halves? Yes, both sides are same. Two triangles, one trace here, one is here. Hexagon in two parts, same parts. Blue shape is both sided, shape in both sides. So these two halves are the mirror images of each other. So this shape has this line of symmetry, this pattern have. You can draw your own patterns with the help of shapes, and you will find the line of symmetry by folding them, fold them from different angles, from left to right to left, up to down, corners to corner, and you will get the line of symmetry in them. Now take out your notebooks. On a new page, write your day and date in the proper way. Thursday in the extreme left top, class work in center, and the extreme right top you will write 24th December, 2020. Today's date. Then leave a line and write your topic line of symmetry. Again leave a line and write your question. Question, draw a line of symmetry in the following shapes. So again leave a line, write A part and draw a shape. Look at this shape. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. All sides are same. So which shape is this? Yes, it's a square. So if we fold this shape from right to left or left to right, we will get this line, or we can get the folding point. We will draw a line here. So this means it is the central line. This line cuts the shape into 2 equal parts. So this is the line of symmetry. Now think, if you fold this square from this corner to this corner, can we get the line of symmetry? For this, let me draw one more square here. Now, and if I fold this from this corner to this, can I get the line of symmetry? Let me check. Now look at, are this line cutting this shape into 2 equal halves? Yes. So a square here also left to right, a line of symmetry from 2 corners. And if we draw again a square, and if we fold it to up and down, up to down, can we get the line of symmetry? Let me draw and we will check. Yes, if we draw a line in the center, we can get both sides equal. The both halves are equal. This means this horizontal line is also the line of symmetry. And if we fold this square, let me draw one more square. And if we fold a square from this corner to this corner, can we get the line of symmetry here? Again, I'm drawing for your work. Now, you can see again, both sides are same. Both sides are mirror images of each other. So, but here, you will draw only one square and one line of symmetry. Choose your own line of symmetry and draw it here. Please use color pencils when you draw a shape, and use another color for line of symmetry. And please draw the line of symmetry dotted line with dotted line. Now I'm erasing the squares here. Now we are moving towards our next shape, B. Count the corners, 1, 2, 3, down to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1, 5. So 5 sides and 5 corners. Which shape is this? Yes, this is pentagon. So I fold this shape from right to left and left to right, and I got this line of symmetry because both sides are mirror images of each other. So if I will fold this shape up to down, can I get the line of symmetry? Let me try. Is the shape cut into 2 equal halves? No. So this shape, pentagon, has only one line of symmetry, that is vertical. Now moving towards the next shape. Draw a shape like this with a color pencil. 1, 2, 3. This shape has 3 corners. 1, 2, 3, 3 sides. So this is a triangle. And if we will fold this shape from this corner to this corner, we get this line. And this is line of symmetry because both sides and both halves are same. they are mirror images of each other. If you put the mirror on this side and look at this shape, this half in the mirror, we get the reflection of this half which is same to the next half. And if you put the mirror and look at this half in the mirror, we get the reflection of this half which is same to the first half. So this is the line of symmetry which cuts the shape into two equal halves. And if we fold this triangle up to down, can we get the line of symmetry? Let me check. Are both sides same? Are both halves are equal? No. So this triangle has a vertical line of symmetry. Now look at the next shape. Count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 and do down. 6 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, 6 sides. 6 sides. 6 sides and 6 corners. This is hexagon. And I will fold this up, this hexagon from up to down, and I will get this line of symmetry. So if we fold the shape from up to down or down to up, we get this line of symmetry and both halves are exactly same. Now I will draw one more hexagon here and we will try, is there any other line of symmetry here? So if we fold the hexagon from this corner to this corner, can we get the line of symmetry? Now check it. Both sides are same. Both halves are equal. Yes. So this hexagon is also the diagonal line of symmetry. Or we can also draw a line of symmetry like that. Both diagonal sides have line of symmetry. And if we will fold this shape from left to right or right to left, can we get the line of symmetry? Let me draw and we will check. So you can see both sides are again same. Both halves are mirror images of each other. So we can say, thus we can also draw a vertical line of symmetry in hexagon. Please use a scale when you will draw your shapes and your line of symmetry. So you can draw any one hexagon and any line of symmetry in this hexagon. So in this way, we will do our class work today. Please draw your shapes very neatly. Use colors for shapes and for line of symmetry. Now we are winding up our lesson. Plenary. Do the following shapes have line of symmetry? Again, we will check line of symmetry in these shapes. This is an arrow. If we fold the arrow from right to left or left to right, can we get the line of symmetry? Is this line of symmetry cut the shapes into two equal halves? No. So I will delete it. Now I will fold it up and down. Can I get the line of symmetry? Yes. If we fold it up to down, we get the line of symmetry because both halves are same. They are identical. Now look at this star. If I fold this star up and down, can I get the line of symmetry? No. Or if I will fold this star from right to left or left to right, can I get the line of symmetry? Let me check. So you can see both sides are same, both halves are same. If you put the mirror and look at this side in the mirror, we get the reflection. And the reflection is same as the other half. Same with the other half. If you put the mirror here and look at the half, this half in the mirror, the reflection of this half will be same to the first one. So in this way, we can draw a line of symmetry in any shape. I'm also drawing again a line of symmetry here. Now look at this shape. If we fold it up and down, can we get the line of symmetry? Is it the line of symmetry? No. And if I will fold this shape up to down or right to left, can I get the line of symmetry? Isn't it? No. So this shape has no line of symmetry. So we can write no here. There is no line of symmetry in this shape. So I hope you have understood the topic properly. That's it for today. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.